welcome to my channel, guys. Today I am so excited to share with you some of the orders I received from different companies, which I would like to obviously review. Oh my god, look at him. Oh, he's gonna be with me today, yes. If you are new to my channel, my name is Maggie Eva and I do fashion, beauty and lifestyle tip. So let's start. So I'm going to do a little unboxing today. We have three companies. So first one, it's a sportswear and it calls Zasuya. Here you go. It's a brand new company. They just launching new products, a new website as well. So check out my IGTV and my post on my Instagram as well. The other one is a brand that we all know. They have high street shops as well. This is Mango, which I ordered something from their latest collection as well. And the last one, but not the least, it's my favorite Burgundy brand, which is a London-based brand as well, and they have our different wear as well. If you like what I post and my weekly videos as well, please subscribe to my channel right now. Click the button, and if you do like my beauty tips as well, don't forget to follow me on all your social media, which is Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, all the same handles, Maggie Eva. First brand, which is Zazuya, I received two different outfits. My first expression is well packed. You have the name of the company as well, as you can see, and they're well sealed. It's a definitely good packaging and good, yes, for the first impression. This brand has really interesting designs of the leggings, just to let you know. So let me open the first package. You have a little card as well with all the handles, as you can see. Here you go. So you can see the logo on the back. Really well done. I really like it. Just simple, but something catchy for the design. So I'm moving to the leggings. Really soft, really soft. As you can see, you have the logo on the back as well. Inside, all the instructions. They're really soft. This is size S, guys. And yeah, definitely like them. What is really interesting about this design is, as you can see on the back where the bum is, they have a little line which it apparently makes your bum look lifted. So that's interesting to me. I would like to see how that looks like on my pictures or on me as well. But overall, really happy with the ombre as well, design and the color. So moving to the top, this one, again well packed, as you can see. Here you go. It's have some padding as well on the bra, which is definitely a good option. Some of the girls like that, and I personally like it too, let's face it. But definitely, again, as you can see, good quality, and yes, I really like them. Moving to the next set, this is my favorite. I choose those because they're just brilliant. Look at the colors. I mean, it's like our baby colors all in one. They're really popular right now. I mean, everyone has something similar. Either it's a set for lingerie or any hoodies. They're really popular right now as well with the youngsters. So the same design in the back. This is their a really famous design, because basically that's what they're promoting the brand for, just to make you feel good and your body looks good as well at the same time. So definitely like it. It's a size S as well, guys. I'm moving to the top. Let's see, this is a little bit different design, the top as well. Let me show you quickly. So here you go. on the back you have paddings as well. It's just the strings on the back, a little bit difficult actually, I can see here, but I'm sure I'll manage somehow to fit them in. So here you go. I'm moving to my next package, which is Mango. So I love Mango. It's because it's one of those brands that it's something between Zara, in my opinion, and H&M. So if you want something between Zara and H&M, not too expensive at the same time, good quality, you have the latest fashion designs, Mango is the place you go. And actually lately, as well for work or for any other occasions, they have a really good pieces that you can check them out. Now what I've got today from them, I'm going to show you. I've got interesting pieces. Always they come well packed with a little thank you letter, as everyone can see, and obviously the slip that you pay and the return label if you need to return them and they don't fit you. Well, I actually have not tried them yet, so hopefully they'll fit me, to be honest. So the first one is trouser, which is actually a leather one, and I'm really cautious when buying leather trousers online because I don't know how it's gonna fit. It's a little bit difficult with them. Some of them are stretchy, some of them are not. I did trust Mango and I hope this will fit me. It's an extra small size. Maybe I'll need small, I have no idea. So it's well packed. Let me just show you as well. So basically I have a little pocket on the back, and here you go. Oh, have a zip. Oh my god, I have not seen this one. Okay, so let me show you. So you can actually open it here down. They have a zip as well. And looks really nice, soft and stretchy, and have underlining as well, which it's stretchy, guys, so really good quality, and we'll see how it's gonna fit. Everyone's wearing this chain right now. So this one, apart, it's from having this chain all around, it's the sleeve, as you can see, it's a little bit puffy here, so it's gonna be perfect for my trouser, I guess, leather trousers. So I just can't wait to, and it's really stretchy and soft, which is really important, definitely for this weather. So a goodbye. Moving to my next stop from Mango. I'm literally opening it right now. I haven't opened them, guys, yet. I just received them yesterday, so literally today I decided I'm going to do this video and see what is, you know, what is fashionable right now. As we all stay at home, it's a little bit difficult to say, but I really wanted something comfy, and this is some of the stuff you can wear at home as well. I mean, just, or especially right now. Okay, this is how turtleneck, here you go, design, and it's size S for me. This top as well, it's, you can wear with the trousers, with the skirt. I'm probably gonna match it with trousers. It's just, I really like this neck design here. It just shows your muscle, you know, it's just really good shape. It's my favorite shape actually. Here you go. So Mango again. Next one, the last one from Mango, it's a trouser. This trouser is a red trouser. I don't have any other red trousers. I mean, everyone's experiment with different colors, really bright ones, and I don't really, you know, feel comfortable with that, to be honest, but it looks like I'm gonna do it. So, and it was on sale as well. I think I only paid £10 for that, so definitely worth it. Here you go. So this trouser has two pockets in the back. It's really nice and stretchy, and you have a little slit on the bottom. Let me show you. I'm going to show you actually the look as well later on, but yeah, I think it's going to be perfect with my new top. So or the black one, black as well, cardigan. So that is Mango, guys. Last outfit today, it's a bandage dress. I know we're not going out yet at the moment, but I just something really too stylish, you know, right now. If we manage the first time ever to go out, finally, it's something that I'm looking forward to wear. So this dress is from my favorite Burgundy right now. I'm gonna show you. So it's green one that was really popular last year. Maybe this is a little bit darker green, that ash or whatever they call it, green. Last year they were more, I think, neon green. This is just not too much neon, to be honest with you. So I have shoulder off dress. It's size S. I think it is S or extra small. Not quite sure. Hope it fits me. So check out my next video, which I'm gonna show you all the outfits, okay? Don't forget.